In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto render in CapCut. By the end, your previews should play more smoothly, with fewer hiccups, so you can focus on creative decisions instead of waiting on playback. First, a quick overview. Auto render is a background process that pre-renders parts of your timeline, things like heavy effects, transitions, motion blur, and color adjustments. So when you hit play, CapCut doesn't have to calculate everything in real time. This can dramatically reduce stuttering during previews and help you judge timing, effects, and audio sync with confidence. Let's get started. Open CapCut. You can be on the home screen or inside a project. Either way is fine. If you already have a project open, keep it up so you can immediately feel the difference once auto render is enabled. Next, click Settings. On the desktop app, look toward the top right corner for the gear icon labeled Settings. If your interface looks slightly different because of an update, check the menu bar for a Settings or Preferences option. The wording is the same, and it leads to the same place. Inside Settings, go to the Performance section. This area controls how CapCut uses your computer's resources. You'll often find items related to hardware acceleration, preview behavior, and caching here. Take a second to familiarize yourself, since these options can influence overall responsiveness and export speed. Now, enable auto render. Look for the auto render toggle or checkbox and turn it on. Once enabled, CapCut will begin rendering segments of your timeline in the background, typically while you're idle or after you make changes. You might notice small progress indicators near your timeline or reduced lag when you press play. That's expected, and a good sign it's working. A few helpful tips. Auto render can be resource intensive while it's processing, so it's normal to hear your fans spin up or see a brief spike in CPU or GPU usage. This usually settles down once the render finishes. Make sure you have enough free disk space since preview renders are cached locally. If your machine is older, give CapCut a moment after big edits. Letting it finish background rendering before you play back can make previews much smoother. That's it. Open CapCut, head to Settings, go to Performance, and enable Auto Render. With this turned on, you should experience more fluid previews, faster decision-making, and fewer interruptions while editing. If you ever need to fine-tune performance later, revisit the same performance panel and adjust as needed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smoother editing with Auto Render enabled in CapCut.